In this video, we are going to show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Zendesk. Now, you can practically use keyboard shortcuts just like any other option. It's pretty much Control Paste is the same thing, Control C, Control V, etc., etc. Now, how do you know what keyboard shortcuts do you need to use, or how can you use them? Quite simple. Once you've logged into your dashboard, you want to look towards your upper right corner. If you hover this is going to be your profile icon, right? So click on this like so. This pop-up will appear. At the very bottom, just above sign out, there is an option that says keyboard shortcuts. So click on that, and this pop-up will appear showing all the keyboard options that are available for Zendesk. So you have navigation, you have tickets, right? And then use in lists, view results, etc. So you have everything here. Control Alt H is home, Control Alt V is views, and then you have Control Alt C open reply box. So again, everything is here. It does take a while because there are a lot, right? It does take a while to learn everything else. But once you've started using Zendesk on a regular basis, you're gonna get used to this, and it's pretty much going to be, second nature. And if you want, you can actually download this as a PDF for your own reference. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.